Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So, I am going to make something for my bedroom.
Okay.
Very suspicious. Now, I was tidying up the craft room the other day and I found a whole bunch of fast cure which needed to be used because it's starting to go a bit yellow.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, what can I use this up on? Now, for ages, I've been meaning to make myself a little tray to go on my bedside table because it's somewhere to put my glasses, somewhere to put my earphones, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
You know. And I dug out this crystal tray that I think I made once before, quite some time ago.
It's been a while, but
I'll pop a link, but it's a beautiful, beautiful tray. And I also want to do something else with it in another video. So
stay tuned.
It's a bit of a 2-for-1. So I thought I would have a go with one of my absolute favourite techniques, and that is the shell technique that I learned from Petra.
Okay.
I'll pop a link to her channel down below. She does some amazing things, but I wanted to have a go at this, but slightly different. So, and just see if it works. But because it's for my bedside cabinet, it doesn't really matter whether it works or not. But it spoiler, it does. So into one pot, I mix a little bit of the white, which is from Vista. Into another pot, I'm going to put some Interference Shocker Violet. It will surprise nobody to learn that my bedroom is a lilac colour.
Yeah.
Because
I lost that one.
Yeah. You won the carpet, but I won the walls. I've got some Octopus Inks purple.
Yep.
And this is the Pinata by Jacquard. Passion purple, which is a beautiful colour. Absolutely gorgeous. So
yeah,
it's a purple fest.
I was just thinking that there is a lot of purple there.
Well, it's for my bedside cabinet. And when I wake up first thing in the morning, I want to see purple and it makes my day happy.
Shouldn't that be like me?
Oh yeah. I mean, after I've looked at you and I've I'm just going to move on. There's no way out of that hole, so I'm just going to move on. So I pour a little tiny bit of the purple ink, and then I pour the slightly darker one, which is by the Octopus.
So the shell technique is you do it in one corner, don't you? And just let it just flow out to the rest of the piece.
You do, yeah. And because this is a tray, I thought I'd just try 4 corners and see how it goes.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd just see how it works out. But I like the colours and it's for me, so it's fine. But I just keep repeating that over and over and over again until no more. Now,
there was a finger there as well. There was a little pointy finger.
There was a slight error in this, in that at this point, ideally, I'd put a little bit of clear.
Yeah.
And then start over. But
you didn't.
I didn't. I just didn't.
Did you forget?
No, I wanted to see how it works without the clear.
Okay.
So it was a curiosity. But it's fine. It works out fine.
Okay.
I'm quite happy with it.
Okay.
And I just keep going until the tray is full. However, I forgot how much this tray takes. It takes like 500.
Does it?
It's a big tray.
It's quite deceptive
it is
because it looks very thin.
It does. It looks really, really quite shallow. But it does. It takes huge amounts. And it was at this point I was questioning my choices. As per usual, I get halfway through a project and go, what am I doing? Now, I wasn't sure if I was going to top it up or just leave it like that, because I don't mind if it's quite thin. But it just so happens that I also, quite some time ago, bought a matching little box.
Like a trinket box.
Like a little trinket box that goes with it. And I've never made it. So I thought, here's the perfect opportunity.
So
that and the fact that we sorted out our mould cupboard.
I was going to say that we've sorted out a mould cupboard and you found loads which you've gone, oh, I forgot we had that.
Yeah, we've got a whole list of things where I've gone, oh, I forgot I had that. Yeah. I can make things up. So because this is for me, I thought I'm just going to have a glitter fest.
It's a purple fest.
I literally could not decide which glitter to put in.
So you put them all in?
I put a little bit of everything. There was no measuring. There was just...
Wow.
Drop it all in. Drop it all in and see what happens. I even put some of my purple prints in, which is...
That's reserved for special occasions.
That is reserved pretty much for me only.
I think I've used it once.
Yeah, that was against my wishes.
Yeah, well,
I got over it eventually. I was going to put a little bit of the black magic in, but I thought, no. Let's hold off.
Did you think to yourself, that's too much glitter?
No. I just thought it would ruin the feng shui of the purple, so I went for some purple silver instead. See?
Okay.
It's called self-restraint, my dear. Self-restraint.
Uh-huh.
I was able to exercise some.
Okay. And while Nikki is mixing up her purple glitter...
And admiring the shiny.
I just wanted to say thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing us to...
Buy said glitter.
Yes. Yes, indeed. So,
Kirk's face then was...
Thank you very much.
Kirk's face was like, oh, yeah, that's the point. That's the point. So, with the glitter... I just wanted the edges of the box done. I didn't want I wanted the bottom to have a different feel. So I just went round the edges. Now, it does spill over, and I'm fine with that because...
Yeah, why not?
It's glitter, it's shiny, and I love it.
There appeared a turtle.
That's not a turtle. That's a bear.
Are you sure?
It's a bear.
I thought it was a turtle.
No, it's a bear. I'm positive it's a bear.
Okay.
Now, the rest of the box, I took the Amethyst Aura Sparkle pigment from Just Resin because this is my absolute favourite shiny purple.
Yeah. No, it looks like that because it's been sat on the shelf for a little while, and all you need to do, it does tend to separate. So you just need to give it a quick mix. If it's solid, you just give it a 10-second blast with a
heat gun or something. Yeah, because pigment pastes are oil based, and sometimes the oil and the pigment separate, so you have to give them a really good stir to mix them all back in. I can't even speak. Look at this colour. I mean, look at that colour.
It's all right.
It is a happy colour that leaves me not speechless because I'm going to keep talking, but you get my point. Metaphorically speechless.
Metaphorically speechless.
Yeah, because I'm never going to be actually speechless, am I? That's that
would be nice. But...
So this is a day later because you can demold after 4 hours. No, this isn't a day later. This is about 5 minutes later because I had some left over from the Amethyst Aura, and I thought, I'll just shove it on the back of the tray. I wasn't going to top this up, but I had some left over, so I thought, well, I'll just pour it on the back of the tray and tidy that bit up.
But there's not enough there.
Yeah.
So you ended up making some more anyway.
I did. I was like, oh, that was not a good idea because that's not going to work now. So I had to go and make some more. These are the problems I face when I live inside my mind.
Oh, dear.
Yeah. Anyway, I was really happy that I made that choice because if I get fed up with the other side.
Oh, look, it's a turtle.
Yeah, but that's not the turtle that I made.
No, I mean, I don't even know where that came from. You just literally just appeared. This is why we have so many turtles lying around.
That's not the turtle that I made. That is a
turtle you've made.
It's a turtle I made, but not in that shot. This is a turtle from another time and space.
Are you sure? Because it looks like the same sort of colours.
No, this is what I just made. It was this one. You see?
So we're going to get overrun with bears now as well.
Well, that's a very real possibility, if I'm honest, because I
know.
Yeah, but it's the cutest bear mould ever. No, it is.
Ever?
You said I can't make turtles, so now I'm making bears. Deal with it.
Oh, look.
That's a tiny turtle. It doesn't count.
No, it's a turtle. It counts.
No, you said I'm not allowed to make turtles. You didn't say anything about tiny turtles.
It's a turtle.
Different category.
No.
Anyway, Those were just the leftover remnants of, the make. This is the main event.
Mm-hmm.
This is what this is all about. So
Yeah.
is it going to be nice? Is it going to be pretty? Or is it going to be meh? Now, at this point, I'm like, if the other side is rubbish, I'm good because I love that side.
Okay.
There's your answer. Kirk does not like it.
I don't not like it, but I don't love it.
I'm torn, if I'm honest. I'm like, I like it, but I also don't. But that side, I love.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think maybe lay off the white a little bit.
I think I put too much white in. Or I think actually just that particular technique doesn't suit this particular type of mould. But
maybe
fine.
if you did it from one corner instead of the 4.
Yeah. But it's nice to know. But this one, look at that. Look at that. I mean, come on. I ask you. It doesn't get better than that. It's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's shiny.
Yeah.
And it's purple.
Uh-huh.
My life is complete.
Okay.
And then I was like, do I stick it down to the tray? Do I keep it separate? How am I going to have it?
I did speed this up a little bit because you spent quite a while just moving that tray around on the box on top, trying to figure out where to place it.
I did. Now, at this point, I had a bit of inspiration.
Oh.
Because I thought, I really like that pattern. And I've got other things that I would want to use that pattern on.
Okay.
So I decided, I took an executive choice not to stick it down at this point. I am denied about whether or not to put an edging on it. And again, I thought, I've had a thought for another video. Ooh. So I literally leave it like this. This is it. This is the make.
Okay.
So everyone that cuts out before we get to the end, thanks for joining us. And everyone that stays till the end, thank you. You get to see me play with it a little bit more. But if you look, I like that side, but I also like the other side. But there we go. Yeah. There we have it.
Stay tuned for part 2 to see what
I do with this tray.
Yeah.
Before it makes it to my bedroom.
Yep.
And if you've enjoyed this creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is going to give you another video that you might enjoy a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. But either way, if you liked this one, please do help us out by hitting that like button. And if you've got any hypes left, feel free to do that too.
Yeah. And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.